Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Life Odysseys. Beautiful morning here in eastern Kentucky. Outside back here where I'm doing some clearing for a project. I guess you could consider this maybe a part 2 or whatever, but it'll have its different title. So what I'm doing today is I got to dig these stumps up. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5. So it's probably going to take me a while. I got this shovel here, as you can see. I'm going to get ready and start digging these stumps out. Hope you guys feel sorry for me. But guess what? I was born at night, but not last night. You know what I mean? So, see this shovel? Nope, not using a shovel. I'm using the old trusty excavator. But my assistant for the day is probably going to do all the work, dig them out for me, is Miss Maggie Poo Poo. Hi, Miss Maggie Poo Poo. What's going on? Are you going to say hi to everybody? Say, I'm going to dig these stumps out for Dad. It won't take me but a minute. And I'll get me a couple extra dog treats for it, won't I? That's right. She's been operating this excavator for quite a while now, ain't you, Maggie? Huh? Your tail's a wagging. You must want to get that engine started and get going? Huh? Yeah, I don't blame you. So anywho, stay up there. So anywho, that's where we're at. Look at her back there. She's going to jump out. Anyways, there's another stump I got to get out of here. I'm going to get this area cleaned up. Try to working on getting it leveled out. Everybody will know what's going on here soon, but I ain't going to tell you right now. Let's just swing here. Yeah, I've had the bobcat up here. Did quite a bit yesterday evening. I showed you that on the previous video. But got to get these stumps out. First thing I'm going to do. And then go from there. Peeing on the job site's not, you're not supposed to do that. All right then. So, I told you and showed you before, see, this is all, man, sometimes depends on the lighting. But that's a long ways down there, folks. But yeah. Just trying to get this area cleaned up. This will be a nice area to come back to and enjoy in the afternoons, whatever. I hear there's a bee buzzing right there. So, all right, folks, I'm going to get off here and get busy. Not with the shovel either, so all I can say is stand by, folks, because it's going to get dusty and dirty and a lot of dirt's going to be flying. I'm going to show you some, but I ain't going to, try to keep it to a minimum. It'll probably be on time lapse. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Well, that's not good. Yeah, piss poor. Man, fucker didn't have much weld on it. Man. All right. I'll be back. As you can see, malfunction. Hey everybody. Well, I'm done up there for today. I'm going to let some rain settle on it, see if what's going to happen here. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but I broke the bracket off of my tooth bucket. When I bought that machine, somebody cobbled that bracket on there. The welds didn't look very good, so as it turned out, yeah, it broke. You can see right there how much weld was holding it. Not very much. Not very much. So let's walk up here and I'll show you what it looks like now. Yeah. It's pretty warm out here. I was supposed to mow grass today, but I don't know if that's going to happen or not. But yeah, I heard it snap. Look at that. It wasn't much holding it. Wasn't much holding it. Ain't the way I do it. All right. Got all these stumps out. Got its edge cut. It's pretty good. It's all right. Gonna have to cut some of these vines off. I tried to put a little ditch right in there. Help with the water. I think it's pretty close. It's a little low up here in the front, but you know, you ain't gonna get it perfect. Just for what I'm doing, it'll be all right. Well, you can see how much I took out here from the way it looked before. Yep. Just looking at it from back here. Ain't bad. All right. Yep. It's a little warm out here, folks. Breeze, but a little warm. All right, well, I probably ain't gonna need that tooth bucket for a while, but I'll get it welded up, get it fixed. Just the way it is, I guess. You know how it is when you buy somebody else's stuff. All right, I think that's going to do it for this one. Maggie's not out here because I don't want her out here while I'm running these machines. But if you would, please subscribe, like, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share, all the above. It really means a lot to me. So, until next time, I'll talk to you then. See ya.